All right, and we are live at today's Condor Expansion Kit webinar. Welcome. I'm joined here by
Michael,
and Ted.
Hey, Ted.
Clearly we're having some fun today. It is Halloween, so the office is all dressed up. It is.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even know.
Yeah.
Good timing.
Well, welcome. We're going to get down to business here. You've signed up for this 15-minute webinar, and with this, you're going to learn everything you need to know about the Condor Expansion Kit. So we're going to jump right in here and let Ted get out of the room. Thanks for visiting. All right. Let me share my screen here. Let's jump onto this presentation. So let me reintroduce myself. I'm Ryan Root, the Director of Marketing here at PHNX Audio Technologies, and I'm joined by Zach Flanagan, our Head of Direct Channel Sales. So,
yep. Thanks for the intro, Ryan.
Yeah.
I will not be breaking my character today, so we're going to do this as Michael Myers would do it.
All right, let's go right in. This is the Condor Expansion Kit. Zach, take it away.
Yeah, so first of all, everybody, thank you for joining.
All right, it's probably messing up the audio if I do that. So thank you for joining. The Condor Expansion Kit was a release of ours about a month ago, combining two of our current solutions. And this actually came about as a direct response to our customers and to our partners. So we had some rooms that the Condor was just simply not big enough for. And everybody thought, can we just daisy chain the Condors together? And it's actually a standalone unit. And originally I had one of my partners connect this into a DSP all on their own, and it just worked great. So what we did is we put it in our lab, we did some testing, different adapters and stuff to make the install easy for you, as we always try to do. And now we have a final product that it works fantastic. And it gives you the ability to cover very large spaces with little to zero programming, and a very, very easy install. So why don't we go through that, maybe show some pictures, and
perfect.
Get everybody.
I just want to remind all our viewers that we do have a Q&A portion of this webinar. We either can answer your questions right live here on this webinar, or follow up with them if it's just something that can take a little more explanation, or you want to learn more about pricing. Whatever that is, go ahead and utilize that Q&A portion. Yeah, let's keep going here.
Nice. So we will meet the Condor Expansion Kit. You already did, but we're going to show you some images of it in an actual room, which is the use case we'll talk about. We'll talk about the install and setup. It's very easy. Some of the features, we'll briefly touch on the PHNX Connect app, which can be used in conjunction with this setup, some compatibility, and some room versatility.
Awesome.
All right, so use case and meeting the Condor. So this room that you're looking at is a room that was just a bit too wide for one Condor. So for this end user, we offered the Condor Expansion Kit. As you can see, they very discreetly just tucked it behind the monitor, which I think is just
clean.
Clean. It's a brilliant install, right? There's already power. There's already network behind the TV, so it just makes it very, very simple for the end user. And as you can see, it looks really, really good as well.
Yeah, it really does.
So when do you use this? And I mentioned this at the beginning of the meeting. A great time to use this is when one Condor is not enough. What do?
Daisy chain Condors.
Add another Condor. That's right. So use it for that. Use it for when there's no tables, when there's open ceilings, when they want that clutter-free work environment. And also, in these environments, if you want to add sound reinforcement, like a handheld mic, you can do that as well through the Stingray. So the installation and setup is very, very easy. You simply, and I won't get too deep into it, right? If you are interested in the Condor Expansion Kit, our support team will be more than happy to walk you through the setup. But you simply connect the adapters that come with the unit. It comes with some cabling as well. And the only thing that you need to worry about is to have some cat cable to go in between the two adapters, the one that connects into the Condor and that one that connects into the Stingray. Add power to the Condor, and you'll do that through either the USB connection or the Ethernet connection, and you're done. That's it.
Perfect. Couldn't be easier.
So this room coverage slide, which I think you already get it, but just to put that into some visualization, one Condor in this conference room we're looking at, just it wouldn't be enough. So what do? We have the Condor Expansion Kit. We put the Condor on the other side of the room, and now they have virtually full pickup in the entire room. These Condors can be placed in any which way. The overlapping doesn't matter. It's all good. So you can have it on each side of the room, on opposite sides, whatever works best for you and whatever is easiest for you to do when you're installing.
Right, you're going to continue to see the versatility of these products and how it doesn't matter what size the room is, the dimensions. You can place these Condors on opposite sides of the room or next to each other on the sides of a monitor, and it's still going to increase the pickup range to cover the entire room. Really impressive.
So let's talk a bit about some of the features, and this will be more the features of the Stingray, but it's a whole solution, so we can do the same thing with the Condor. We'll jump into daisy chaining first. So, oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead and go back. I made a mistake there. So we do not have each slide for each one. It's probably better for you watching. So this solution can be daisy chained. So you can fit 4 Condors on one Stingray. Essentially, you could add a Stingray and fit 4 more Condors, right, for a really big room. You can do zoning. So if you have a room that has movable walls and it creates one larger room, you can have a Condor in each one and then use the Stingray to zone those out. So you can have a room combined or a room split environment. We can do bridging here, so we can be on this Zoom call and we can dial out through the Stingray and bring a VoIP call into the mix or an analog call into the mix. There are unique line inputs, so you can't have that handheld mic. You can connect your media through this device. There is a built-in power amplifier on the Stingray, huge for saving time and money and space. It's all there for you. And there is absolutely no programming required. All we ask is you adjust the sensitivity level, and you're done.
Set it and forget it.
Set it and forget it. I'll let Ryan take it over. This is one of Ryan's babies here, the PHNX Connect.
PHNX Connect application. So as you can see, this is available on pretty much virtually any platform you're using. You have an iPad on your conference room table, or you have a dedicated PC in that room. I don't know why you'd have that, but we have options for you here. You can use it on iOS, the Android, Microsoft. All these stores have this app available. Just download it, and then it gives you the functionality of dialing directly out, using that bridging feature, adjusting the speaker volume, mute the room. It gives you a lot of that. Also, if you're splitting a room, you can split the room directly on this application as well. Oh, and just to highlight, it is free. Very nice.
Free?
100% free.
Wow, that's a good deal.
Yeah.
So we like to play well with others, as always. Zoom, Blue Jeans, G Suite, doesn't matter. Pick your poison. We will work with it.
Right. We get this question a lot. I use Skype for business. Will it work for it? Of course. Absolutely. We play well with others.
And then as far as room versatility goes, we just wanted to kind of show you some different types of rooms that if you see, you can think of us. And you can think of this Condor Expansion Kit. Mm-hmm. And you know what interests me the most here, Ryan?
What?
That room in the top right-hand corner.
Oh, yeah.
What a beast of a room. Like, what are you going to do in a room like that? There's nothing.
That is a big room.
There's nothing you can do in a room like that. It's open space, very high ceilings. It's a tough room to deal with. But with the Condor Expansion Kit,
right,
it can be done.
We see a lot of use cases or requests from our end users where they have an open floor and they want to conduct these company-wide meetings, but they have no clue how they can integrate audio into that space.
Yep.
This is the solution for you. There's your large conference room. We break down each one here. Exposed ceilings.
Oh yeah, that's the one.
Condor Expansion Kit still works.
And rooms with dividers. So essentially you can look at this room and you can think, wow, one Condor under each TV, and that will allow you to kind of close that divider and have 2 separate meeting rooms, or open it and have one meeting room with full coverage.
Nice.
So that's it, Condor Expansion Kit. I don't know if did we have any questions? Ryan, you want to check that out?
Let's see here.
One question, is this ready to ship? Absolutely. Yeah, we have everything available, so feel free to reach out to your local integrator. You can reach out to me if you'd like to be introduced for a phenomenal place to purchase. If you are an integrator, you can also feel free to reach out to me if you're looking to be able to offer our solutions. Again, my name's Zach. My phone number is 949-484-7791. Again, that's 949-484-7791. And my email is zachf@phoenixaudio.com. That is ZACHF@phnxaudio.com.
Fantastic. If you'd like to learn more, you can always jump on our website, phnxaudio.com. You can contact Zach directly, as he just told you. But hey, thanks for taking the time. We are under 15 minutes, and you learned about a solution that works in a ton of different collaboration environments. I hope you enjoyed it. And again, if you want to learn more, please reach out. Thank you so much, and have a great rest of your Halloween.
Thanks, everybody. Now let me get rid of this guy.